Hi everyone, it's Beth, and today we're making a super cute little carrot patch. I used 3 of these crates from Dollar Tree, some of their little carrots. This cutting board sign will be removing the fresh carrot sign from it. Some super jumbo popsicle sticks and a stir stick. These little bunny feet, floral moss, white chalk paint, hot glue, and wood glue. First thing I did was put some wood glue on the sides of 2 of the crates, as well as hot glue, and then place those 3 together. Next, I just cut off one of the ends of one of the popsicle sticks and lined it up on the crates, marking off where I'd want the top of the little fence post, and then trimmed it up to a point. And then I took the other popsicle sticks and just cut them right in half. Once I had those done, I took the one I had already cut with the fence post and just marked off the rest of the popsicle sticks so they would all be about the same. I ended up needing a total of 7 of the jumbo popsicle sticks. After I had them all cut, I just took a sanding block and sanded down the edges where I cut them. Then took my white chalk paint and painted all of the crates. I painted everything, outside, inside, bottom, and I did 2 coats. I also painted the popsicle sticks and the stir stick with the white chalk paint and did 2 coats on those as well. After everything was dry, I needed to hot glue on the fence post to the front. I started at the ends so I could make sure everything was even. So I hot glued one on each end. And then I placed one on the seam where the crates met and put down 2 more just to make sure they were all even. Hot glued that one on the seam and then lifted up and glued down the ones in the center. And then did the same thing on the other side, hot gluing on the seam and then putting the rest in the middle. And I glued 2 on either end. So you used a total of 7 popsicle sticks. And since these crates have these slats on the bottom, I took some craft paper and just cut it down, hot gluing it to the bottom so the floral moss wouldn't fall out. Put my floral foam in there with some hot glue as well. And then I took my stir stick and kind of placed it in the back just to see where I wanted to put it. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do the side or the center, but I ended up going with the very center of the crates. Just hot glued that right there. Then I took the carrot sign off of this cutting board hanger, and I'll just save the cutting board for another project. And then I just gave the back a quick sanding. And if you didn't want that backing to show like that, you could always paint it or cover it with some craft paper or something. I didn't mind it, so I just sanded it and left it how it was, and then hot glued down the very center and place that a little bit down from the top on the stir stick. So it looked like that. And then I took my floral moss and hot glued that to each of the crates. Then I took my carrots and added them to each of the crates, just putting them filled in throughout there. Last thing I did was took my little bunny feet and cut down the end of it there. After they were cut down, I first put them in the center and then noticed that the tags stuck out quite a bit, so I ended up cutting off the tags on the feet. And I didn't end up liking them in the center, so I put them off to the side a bit. And here it is. Super cute and adorable. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please sprinkle it around.